Hi Bright Mind students, welcome back in Chemistry Problem Walkthrough. In this video, we will practice solving a stoichiometry problem, specifically determining the chemical formula of a compound produced from a reaction. During the combustion of 10 milliliters of hydrocarbon gas, 65 milliliters of oxygen gas is required, producing 40 milliliters of CO2. If all gases are measured at the same temperature and pressure, determine the chemical formula of that hydrocarbon. In solving this problem, first, we will assume the hydrocarbon formula is CXHY. Next, we will write the chemical reaction as follows. CXHY reacts with oxygen to produce CO2 and H2O. We will assign coefficients to each molecule in this reaction. For the hydrocarbon, let assign A as the coefficient. For the oxygen, we put B as its coefficient. For CO2, we assign C as the coefficient, and for H2O, we put D as its coefficient. Since some molecules in this reaction are gases, we can solve this by using Gay-Lussac's law, or the law of combining volumes. At the same temperature and pressure, the volumes of reacting gases and the volumes of gaseous products are in simple whole number ratios. In other words, the gas volumes in a chemical reaction are proportional to their coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. Following that law, let's input the volumes for each gas. And we can make comparison. The ratio of A, B, and C is equal to ratio of 10, 65, and 40. We can simplify it, becomes ratio of 2, 13, and 8. And then we substitute these values into the chemical equation. It becomes 2CXHY plus 13O2 and 8CO2 plus DH2O. Here, we still need to analyze the value of D. To find D, we will balance the number of atoms from each element. We will start with oxygen. On the left side, we have 13 times 2 oxygen atoms. And on the right side, we have 8 times 2 and plus D oxygen atoms. Solving this, we get D equals 10. Next, let's balance carbon atoms. On the left side, we have 2 times X carbon atoms. And on the right side, we have 8 carbon atoms. We get the value of X is 4. Finally, let's balance the hydrogen atoms. On the left side, we have 2 times Y hydrogen atoms. And on the right side, we have 2 times 10 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, we get Y equals 10. Now, we already have the values of X and Y. If we substitute them into CXHY, it results in C4H10. So, the answer to this question is C4H10. That concludes the discussion of this problem. With Gay-Lussac's law, we can determine the volume of compounds which have the form of gases. We can even identify the compounds involved in chemical reactions. Thanks to all scientists who have contributed to the advancement of chemistry to where it is today. If you find this video is useful, please don't forget to like it and appreciate our Engineer Squad channel by subscribing it. See you in the next chemistry problem discussion.